Your customer message cost changed today, but the bill is not one number. A customer conversation can contain free replies, paid templates, and a clock that changes the answer. So an AI tool can look cheap while creating a more expensive workflow. The question is not, should I use AI? It is, which messages am I actually paying for? The platform's pricing notice says updates for business agent, service, and utility messages launch on August 1st, 2026 and October 1st, 2026. It does not mean every small business sees the same rate. The stable pricing page says rates vary by message category, monthly volume tier, and the recipient's country or region. It also says non-template messages can be free inside an open customer service window, while utility templates inside that window are free. The category and clock decide owner impact. Here is the simple model. Draw 3 columns called message type, customer window, and owner action. Templates outside the window can be charged. Non-template replies inside it can be free. The official example sends 4 messages and charges 2. 1 marketing charge and 1 utility charge. A customer message opens a 24-hour service window. A specific free entry case can keep messages free for 72 hours, but only when the customer came through the listed ad or page path. That is why the bill is a map, not a single toggle. For example, take an illustrative 5-person home services company with 120 customer messages each month. The office manager has 45 minutes on Monday to review 30 recent threads and mark their message type. Then she checks whether the customer window was open when each reply went out. Over 2 weeks, she compares 20 labels with the platform's pricing export. Keep the map if at least 18 labels match. Revise a category or window rule when the mismatch repeats. This is a test design, not a result. Now, change the business, not the mechanism. Imagine an illustrative 3-person appointment studio sending 80 reminder and follow-up messages each month. The owner reviews 20 recent threads in 30 minutes, separating customer-initiated service, utility templates, and marketing messages. She then compares 12 invoice lines with the same thread list over 4 weeks. A reasonable illustrative pass mark is 10 reconciled lines within $5 of the invoice. If the AI-generated reminder lands in the wrong category, revise the message path instead of guessing from the total. The lesson is different. Useful reminders still need the right category. Now turn the map into an owner decision. Give the operations owner 1 hour, 30 recent threads, the latest invoice, and pricing export. Count message type, window status, an expected paid or free result. Keep the workflow if 27 matching labels out of 30 explain the billable mix. Revise unclear categories. Wait when the message path cannot be explained. Pricing may change up to 4 times per year, and a pricing model change gets 6 months of advance notice. Update the ledger monthly, not just during an AI launch. Compare public AI with a human reply only after both use the same message map. Here is the reframe. A pricing update is not just a new number. It turns customer messaging into an operating ledger. What started the thread, which category it used, and which clock was open. That ledger tells you whether an AI workflow is affordable before you connect it. The exact rate still depends on category, volume, market, and account details. If you want AI that actually works right away in your business, not theory or random technical terms, Qovra's free interactive course walks you through practical implementation. Enter your email to begin. The goal is not to buy AI.